After a few hot and sunny days in Gauteng, it's going to be much cooler on Tuesday and Wednesday. Partly cloudy skies with temperatures only in the lower 20s, but warmer weather returns on Thursday as well as Friday. But the complete opposite in the west, so here's your forecast. So on Tuesday, the ridging high will still push in cloud and cool conditions with light showers into KwaZulu-Natal, as well as now spreading along the eastern escarpment with light rain expected in parts of the Lowveld and cooler weather over eastern South Africa. And onshore, a southeaster expected to bring in cooler conditions into Limpopo, winds then turning easterly for the Bushveld as well as northwest and Gauteng, and later a southeaster blowing in Cape Town with a southerly wind along the northern coast. A mainly dry day for South Africa with only light rain expected over parts of KwaZulu-Natal and, as mentioned, along the escarpment and drizzle expected in the Lowveld of Limpopo. It's a warmer day for the Western Cape, lots of sunshine, berg winds heating up the northern parts, soaring to 30 degrees in Ferndale and 29 in Clanwilliam. Later, a moderate to fresh southeaster blowing in Cape Town. Cold at first over the interior of the Western and Eastern Cape with single-digit minimum temperatures only through the morning in Oudtshoorn. And it's a few degrees warmer along the southern coastline with a westerly wind blowing, sunny skies, but still cool to mild the afternoon. Only warming up to half 20 degrees in Kumani, a westerly wind between Port Alfred and Port St. John's with maximum temperatures remaining below 20. That ridging high still pushing in cloud and cool conditions over KwaZulu-Natal. Light showers expected on and off, only 18 in Durban and 19 degrees in Pietermaritzburg, and this includes Newcastle, only peaking at 17 in Vryheid. It's a much cooler day in Mpumalanga, mostly cloudy skies, light rain in the Lowveld with 18 in Ermelo as well as Mbombela. Cloudy conditions and a cool southerly wind spreading light rain along the eastern escarpment as well as into parts of the Lowveld. Much cooler in the east with only 21 in Tzaneen and winds turning northeasterly for the Bushveld, warming up the afternoon. It's a mainly sunny day for northwest, only a few degrees cooler, a northeasterly wind picking up the afternoon. In the northern Cape, easterly winds resulting in bergwind conditions and heating up the coastal area, soaring to 30 degrees in Alexander Bay. But it's icy cold at first over the south, single-digit minimum temperatures over the interior, later peaking at 25 in Kimberley. A cold morning for the Free State, then sunny and dry over the west and becoming partly cloudy over the east. It's a mainly cloudy to partly cloudy and much cooler day for Gauteng, 23 in Johannesburg, but still mild to warm in the north with 25 in Pretoria. And then into Wednesday, it's still mild to cool in the east with 22 in Johannesburg, 25 in Mahikeng, but berg winds now heating up the Western Cape, soaring to 35 in Ferndale. Into Thursday, still hot over the western area, slightly cooler along the coast, and heating up in KwaZulu-Natal with maximum temperatures soaring above 30 degrees. Well, that's all from me, and remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.